we often hear people saying, have a growth mindset. Now, growth mindset, what exactly does that mean? Well, let's look at it simply. It means planting seeds for future success. Yes, just like in the garden, you plant seeds and only after nurturing it after some time, you see it flourish. Similarly, that is about your own growth mindset. Hi, I'm Lipika Sud. I'm an interior designer, a motivational speaker, an entrepreneur, a poet, and I love sharing things beautiful that touch our hearts. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I'd love to share more with you. So have you ever wondered why some people seem to flourish over time while others remain stuck in the same place? The secret lies not in the harvest they reap today, but the seeds they plant every single day. So, how do we plant these seeds every day and see it grow? First, let's talk about what it really means to have a growth mindset. It's the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective creates a love for learning and resilience that's essential for great accomplishments. Take Michael Jordan, for instance. He was cut from his high school basketball team, but instead of giving up, he planted seeds of hard work and dedication. He practiced relentlessly, and today he is known as one of the greatest basketball players of all times. Of course, we know about J.K. Rowling, Harry Potter. She faced countless rejections before Harry Potter was published. Each rejection was a seed that pushed her to refine her craft and believe in her story. And of course, closer home, Usha Uthup, the famous Indian singer. She was turned out of her music class. Why? Because she did not fit in. She had a very heavy, different voice. But did it stop her from planting the seeds of success? Her relentless practice and dedication to music has won her many accolades, and very recently the Padma Bhushan Award from the President of India. So, how can we start planting seeds for our future today? So here are 5 tips to help us build a growth mindset. First, embrace challenges. You know, challenges are opportunities in disguise. When you face a difficult task, embrace it. Don't throw your arms in the air and say, I can't do it. See it as a chance to learn and grow. You know, when I first tried a brush on with technology and with digital transformation classes, I was completely thrown off, and after a while I said, no, I can't do this. But I took up the challenge, and slowly and steadily I built my resilience to be able to learn it and sponge it. Remember, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Point number 2, learn from criticism. Constructive criticism is like fertilizer for your growth. Instead of taking it personally, use it to improve and refine your skills. Feedback is essential for growth. You know, there was a time I would never like criticism. I would say, oh yeah, give me feedback. But when the feedback came to me, I would like, are you criticizing me? Are you ridiculing me? But hey, listen, take it with a positive spirit. You may adopt it or not, that's another thing. But take it as a positive way to grow. Number 3, celebrate effort, not just results. You know, sometimes it's not possible to be successful in every effort you make, but focus on the effort you put in, not just the end result. Whether you succeed or fail, the effort you invest is what truly counts. Celebrate your progress and the hard work you put in. And trust me, that celebration, that little by little that you put in, is actually going to make you flower and enjoy the end result. Number 4, persistence is key. Remember that growth takes time. Keep pushing forward even when progress seems slow. Like a seedling, your efforts need time to blossom. So don't be in a hurry. Don't rush. It's okay to take tiny steps and enjoy the process. Trust me, the end result is going to be beautiful. I have enjoyed those end result moments, and it's been a beautiful journey. Tip number 5, keep learning. Yes, I think we all know this, but how many of us really practice it? It's not about who you are, where you are, what you do, what age you are in. Never stop learning. We have to stay curious and always seek out new knowledge and experiences. Each new piece of information is a seed that will help you grow. Every day, you have the opportunity to plant seeds for your future. Don't judge each day by the harvest you reap, but by the seeds you plant. Yes, over time, these seeds will grow into a bountiful garden of success and fulfillment. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe. And I'd love to come back with more. Keep planting those seeds. Till next time, I love you. I believe in you. Take care.